Hello everyone, my name is Karthik Chorodia. I am designated partner of Precise Telematics and Ventures LLP. The firm is based at Indore, Madhya Pradesh. We are promoting our products under the brand of GPSwale.com, which is registered trademark of Precise Telematics and Ventures LLP. We are into the GPS tagging business since last 5 years. We are selling products across India. We are selling different so many types of GPS tagging devices. Our client base is dealers and customers, corporate clients. We are into the GPS tagging system from 2015. We have started business from Indore itself with having a collaborations with different companies. We are supplying trackers to government departments. We are supplying trackers to end customers, to corporate clients, and to the dealers as well. We are having dealers network in more than 20 states in India. We are having almost more than 25,000 devices running as of now on our platform and across India. We are registered distributor of Picta Telematics. If we talk about Picta Telematics especially, then the Picta Telematics is the only company which has started a new kind of distributorship in the GPS industries, which other companies haven't done ever before. Considering all the scenarios, considering all the challenges in the market, they have come up with some of the great plans to provide distributorship. They have come up with some good ideas, and they are providing some special treatment to their distributors, and some which is related to service and prices. They are providing distributorship, and under the distributorship they are providing the good prices, because as of now in Indian market the prices are the we need to face challenges due to prices, and because of that we are getting distributorship, and for that we are getting good prices, and because of that we are able to promote the products and to earn some good margins. I am associated with Picta from last 1 year, I can say, and I am getting good responses from the team. I am getting good support from the support team. They used to launch various kind of devices which help us to provide different kind of devices in the market as well, and the support of the Picta is good. There is not any discrepancies we have found yet with the particularly dispatch and ordering in the Pictas. The system is very much sound and well managed. The process and the working of the Picta Telematics is very much managed as compared to the other GPS companies. If we talk about the GPSwale.com, we are providing GPS tracking systems. We are doing working in CCTV, and we can say a complete security segment like CCTV cameras, biometric machines, and fire extinguishers. Other than that, we are providing Garmin GPS as well. We are basically do focus on services instead of selling the devices, and we are situated across India, providing services across India to the end customers as well as to the dealers. And